Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip.
Flamboyant media personality Somizi MH Longo is rumored to have found love in the arms of actor Foloso Molala. Somizi recently took to his Instagram account to share a short clip, showing off a diamond ring on his finger. The clip left tongues wagging and many speculated that he was engaged. As usual, social media detectives went on to dig and uncovered the man who has allegedly stolen his heart. According to blogger Musa Kawula, Somizi is allegedly in a relationship with Foloso Molala and they have allegedly taken their relationship to a new level. The pair is apparently engaged and they recently celebrated their engagement in Cape Town at iPipe Lifestyle. Foloso is also rumored to be Lasizwe's ex-boyfriend and it seems that this accounts for the tension between Somizi and Lasizwe Dambuza. It is well known that Somizi and Lasizwe do not get along. It turns out Lasizwe also briefly dated now Somizi's fiance Foloso Molala. Lasizwe and Foloso's relationship dates back to January 2022 and he moved on to date and got engaged to Somizi, Musa claimed. Foloso dabbles in acting and business and he is rumored to have impregnated his girlfriend who is expecting a baby. Known for his charming looks and talent, Foloso shot to fame after landing the role of the Bang in Isidingo where he played the gay character. He is no stranger to the soft life and everything luxurious. He often flaunts expensive designer brands cars on his Instagram account. According to his Instagram, he is also the founder of 012 Gin SA and it is evident that he is a hard-working man. His Instagram following is growing rapidly since the news went viral and he has decided to turn his account into a private account. He is also known for his impeccable fashion sense and his over-the-top outfits. Foloso is undoubtedly a fan of finer things in love. We guess they complement each other with Songaga. So should we expect wedding bells to ring soon? Somizi is currently going through a messy divorce with his estranged hubby Mohale Motown. According to Sunday World, the ex-couple has apparently lawyered up against legend Mankell, who produced their wedding special Somhale. Mankell allegedly failed to pay them $5 million for the wedding special but, when asked about this he apparently said Somizi must address this with SARS. Things between the two ended on sour and Mohale unintentionally aired their nasty split in a recording where he said Somizi threatened him with a kitchen knife. I took my keys and walked out, he took a knife. I was about to exit, so he said to me, if you exit, I'm going to kill us both. So I took my keys and ran. He grabbed the knife and said, if you walk out, I'm going to stab you. Now I see a different person. I was sh*t scared and walked back into the house. He said, let's talk. He cried and we moved on, he said. Somizi however flatly denied the rumors. Please subscribe for more news.